Video, I'll be talking about skateboarding and the application of rigid body motion to it. A kickflip is a maneuver which involves two steps, the so-called pop and flick. A skateboard can rotate about its three major axes. A kickflip in particular rotates about the long axis, or the line running along the length of the board. For our purposes, we can assume the board to have a cuboid shape. We can assume the center of mass, G, acts on the geometric center of the cuboid here. Here, we can see the general form for the moment of inertia tensor, which is a matrix that describes the distribution of mass in the body. Next is the form of the inertia tensor for a cuboid about its center of mass G, where A, B, and C are the lengths of its sides. We can compute the actual values by inputting the side lengths after having measured the dimensions of the board itself. It is clear to see that the diagonal element yields the smallest value, meaning the board that will be least resistant to motion when a torque is applied, such that it is perpendicular to the x and y axes of the board. It is common to hear that you should always flick forward. This is because by the time you flick the board with your front foot, the board is already at an angle to the ground, and when you flick, the torque is perpendicular to the board's x and y axes.